Humans are surrounded on all sides by technology claiming to supply information. Television, smartphones, and internet devices, among others. Imagine you're in Rome where everyone's shooting facts, opinions, and rumors at once. That it's like with TVs, smartphones, and internet devices around us, there can be hard to sort out what's real and what's not.
Good day, ma'am. My name is John Francis M. Tirona, and this is my report for today's day. About the role of language in the human quest for understanding the natural world. The ability to name and classify objects found in nature was seen as first step of knowing the scientific search for truth. Early on recognized the usefulness of language and the ability it gave to make sense of nature. For the ancient Greeks, language was an object of admiration. Words have power. Langu- Language plays an important role in human life because its people understand and describe the world around them. Ang language importante kaayo sa kinabuhi sa tao kay mao ni makatabang nato nga masabtan og maistorya ang kalibutan nga atong ginapuy-an. Through language, humans can name and classify objects found in nature, which become the first steps to learning and discovery. Pinagi sa language makapangalan og maka-classify ta sa mga butang nga makita nato sa nature. Mao pud ni ang unang lakang sa pagkat-on og pagkahibalo. Scientists also realize that language is powerful because it helps people express truth and share knowledge. Nasabtan pod sa mga scientists nga kusgan kayo ang mga power sa language kay pinagi ani makapahayag ta sa kamatuoran ug makaambit sa kaalaman. Even in ancient times like sa mga Greek words, they admire language because it helped them make sense of nature and life. Sa karaang panahon pa, sama sa mga Greeks, ginadayeg na nila ang language kay mao ni makatabang nila pagsabot sa kinabuhi ug sa kalibutan. Words truly have power kay ang pulong mismo makausab sa pangunahuna o kinabuhi sa tao.
The text means that words can be used many times and still keep their meaning. People can understand the same words, even if they are far apart or at different times. It also says that nature many different things are connected by one common idea or factor.
So hello everyone, I'm Geraldine Hope M. Salento, and my topic is the printing press and beyond. So long ago, the printing press helped spread ideas widely, which changed the world. But now, the modern age of information, sharing ideas doesn't just happen through speaking or writing, but mostly through electronic ways like digital signals, which used for computer, phones, and internet.
Plato principle of one and the many refers to the underlying unity among the diverse beings in the natural world. There is a common intrinsic nature shared by different objects which determine their real sense. Now, Plato principle of one and the many means that although there are many different things in the world, they all share a common essence or nature that unites them. It explains how diversity can exist within unity. Everything may look different but are connected by one deeper truth or idea. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Rick S. Demigalang, and my topic is all about the role of science. Now, 21st century, we are moved than ever that there is a rich diversity in nature, which technology has allowed us to discover Banwan Natural Science in 2018. So, the role of science. This statement means the science and technology work together to help us understand the natural world better. In 21st century, specific progress has been faster than advanced, allowing us to explore, discover new things about nature, such as different species of plants, animals, and ecosystem that we didn't know before.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Dito Tambihan and this is my report and the title is Mathematics as the Language of the Nature. Nature can be understood because it speaks in the language of the mathematics and the human brain to the certain extent and comprehend this language, and that's according to the Ringer year 1960. And the technology in the modern world is the fruit of science. The scientific method help people to discover how nature behaves, that we're able to control nature with technology. Mathematics is a language of nature that describes the underlying structure and patterns of the nature world and comprehending ideas. And this is my explanation. Math is the key to understanding how the natural world works, and language of mathematics or mathematical language is an extension of the natural language that is used in mathematics in the science for comprehending results. Example, scientific law, terms proof, logical deduction, and thank you, that's all.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Karen Polo. This is a report. Technological world. The ability to think and completely properties nature and the principle it follows needs to science. Not all every inversion are lost in time. However, a hero of Alexandra, for instance, would invent a fermentive flames engine in the first country views 1990. Pinapakita ang teksto na ang pag-unlad ng teknolohiya ay nagsimula sa kahayagan ng tao, mga isip at unawa ng kalikasan. Ang ganitong pag-isip ay nagbunga sa mga imbensyon at pag-usbong sa siya sa pag-usyon ay sa gawin ni Hero of Alexandria na nagpakita na unang konsepto ng makina gamit ng single.
The World Wide Web, a modern example of technology feeding upon itself in 20th century tour de force. So tour de force is a French term which means a display of strength, skills, or power. So mainly, the World Wide Web is a representation of skills of the creator and a power it emphasized towards the 20th century people. So, the World Wide Web is a system of interlinked hypertext documents that can be accessed via internet. It was invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. It is a process of a way of addressing processing and information sharing needs among scientists for European Organization for Nuclear Research, or the CERN. So the World Wide Web was mainly created to help the scientists or the European Scientists Organization for Nuclear Research, the CERN. Or what is the CERN? It is a renowned research organization pushing boundaries of human knowledge and understanding the universe. So it has the focus towards the science of the earth and understanding the natures of the universe. So World Wide Web is created for the researcher from the European organization for the easy access of informations and data gathering, for sharing knowledge and informations toward other scientists. But for now, it is a very useful tools towards the 20th century that it can gather informations easier and faster than before. That's all. Thank you.
With the ace of sharing information at present, reliability becomes compromised. Anyone with a connection to others can produce content which are sharing truth, and even lies, giving rise to disinformation. It's harder to know what's true because anyone can post anything. Half truths and lies spread easily, leading to disinformation. This makes it crucial to think critically about what you read online.